Hello viewers, I welcome you all to my channel. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. To my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all. For those of you who view my video without subscribing, so guys, subscription is free guys, doesn't cost anything. By the time you subscribe, it will always get you notified anytime I post interesting video. So guys, if you're a patient, you're suffering from your hair, you're suffering, you're battling to grow your hair, this is the time to follow my channel for updates. So guys, if you're wondering what I applied on this hair, so what I applied on this hair is onion and rosemary. That is exactly what I applied on this hair. So before I explain what rosemary and onion does to the hair, just take a look at the length of this hair. Guys, you can see the length of this hair, though the camera did not really capture the length of this hair, but I show you this hair is not up to 7 years, but my daughter is 7 years now, so this hair should be about 6 years, but she is 7 years. Can't you see how lengthy this hair is? So the hair is very lengthy. I'll show you that nature works very well. So this is, I start by my rosemary. So I am going to be pounding it as usual. So a lot of people just soak it in the water, so all the nutrients can be, can they can like, I don't really fancy that way, so I go ahead to pound my rosemary so that I will get all the nutrients extracted. So if you have a blender you want to blend, you can go ahead. For me, I'm using my production mortar. This is a mortar I use in all my production, so it is very as in perfect for me. This is what I use. But for you, anything you know that is very simple for you, that you won't be doing hard work after production, you can go ahead and do it. So I'm going to be transferring this inside the plate. So while I transfer this into the plate, so the next thing I'm going to proceed to my onion. So guys, so I'm proceeding to my onion. So the onion cover is also beneficial, as in is, so the onion peel is very beneficial to the hair. It has a particular role it plays. So the explanation is going to be too much for me. So guys, let me quickly go ahead and explain what uh, um rosemary, because I didn't explain that part. So what rosemary offers to the hair. So talking about rosemary, rosemary is one of the best natural herbs for healthy hair and scalp, to help to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which will nourish the hair follicles and may as in fact is going to encourage a healthy hair growth. So guys, rosemary can also help to reduce excessive hair shedding, soothe an itchy scalp, and also support the product sorry guys, is supports the reduction of dandruff, which will regular, as in when you use it regularly, it may, so not really may, rosemary is going to strengthen your hair strands and hair strength also. So guys, rosemary is also going to be reducing your hair breakage, and is going to make your hair shine, as in looking healthier and shinier. White onion. Before I further the explanation, guys, just take a look. So I went ahead to add it into a heat. After cutting and combining the both ingredients together, so I put it into a heat for 60 seconds. Then I strain it. So guys, onion has a high is high in antioxidants and antimicrobial content. It stimulates dormant follicles, as in it stimulates your hair follicles, a dormant hair follicles, to boost growth, strengthening strands to prevent breakage, and helps to eliminate scalp infection that causes dandruff. So guys, this is where I'm going to let it cool down, then I'll start applying it the way I am doing it. So guys, do not skip this video to understand everything I just did, so that you just get it twisted, guys. Please do not skip this video, watch to the read. So we are almost at the end of the video, so be patient to also learn how I apply it. So when applying it, always make sure this hair touches the roots of the hair, because my have already touched it. I don't know if you noticed it. So I start combing it. So look at this hair, guys. Look at this hair, guys. So guys, if you want to grow a long hair, this is the time to follow my channel. So in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, guys. Subscription is free, guys. Please hit the button subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, guys. So this is the end of this video, guys. I'll be seeing you next on my next video. So subscribe, guys. I love you all. So I'm going to be washing out after 2 hours. I love you all. Bye bye.